Hi lovelies, it's Anne's Delicious Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. I am back again with another delicious Jamaican recipe. Yes, on the menu we have oxtails. This recipe is made with the use of fresh ingredients and it's packed with lots of flavors. It's braised low and slow on a stove top. Before I start, grab a seat, relax as I walk you through the steps. Without wasting much time, let's get started. I will start off by washing the oxtails to get rid of any dirt and smell. Now, because oxtails has a lot of fat, you want to trim this to make your gravy less oily. Someone might ask, what are oxtails? Oxtails are the meat tails of cattle cut into small pieces, just like these. If you haven't tried oxtails before, then get ready to introduce a new delicious recipe in your kitchen. This recipe is very delicious. It does take time to cook for about 2 to 3 hours. However, if you give this recipe a try, you wouldn't mind about time. So yes, make sure to wash the oxtails well. So as you can see, at this point, the oxtails are nicely washed. The next step is to season it. I will be using different seasonings. So here I have my red chopped onion. In case you don't have fresh onion, that's fine. You can substitute it for onion powder. Now, instead of cutting the ginger into small pieces, I decided to grate the ginger. You can also mince it if you desire. So basically, if you don't have fresh aromatics, you can always, always, substitute it for powder form. So for instance, onion, fresh onion for onion powder, garlic for garlic powder, okay? So as you can see, I have already added my garlic, which has been nicely chopped up. For this recipe, you will need scallions, fresh thyme, fresh leaf parsley, this is optional to use, bay leaf, it's also optional to use, pimento allspice, star anise, aroma stock powder, which is an all-purpose seasoning, shrimp cubes, for some heat, chili powder, turmeric, paprika powder, black pepper, chicken seasoning, jalapeno chili seasoning, salt to taste. So I just drizzled a bit of oil. This will help all the ingredients to stick on the meat. Here I have dark soy sauce, jerk seasoning, browning to darken the food. Now, you don't necessarily have to use all the seasonings I used. I will list the ones which are a must in the description down below. And then I added Scotch bonnet pepper. So once everything is added, it's time to mix. Mix well. For this recipe, you don't blend the aromatics and herbs. All you need to do is to chop them up. It kind of serves as a marinade, okay? So you can marinate your meat for about 2 hours before cooking to infuse the flavors into the meats. I will marinate mine overnight. It's now time to sear the meats. Before that, make sure to remove most of the marinade from the oxtails. So I have already added a small amount of oil in my pot and have added the oxtails. You want to sear each side for about 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat or till it's browned. In case you have lots of the oxtails, all you need to do is to sear them in batches, okay? If you're still watching at this point, kindly subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes made simple. Thank you. So my oxtails are done. I had to transfer the oxtails in another pot. Let's go ahead and add water. Now, if you have any broth, kindly make use of it now. This will add lots of flavor to your gravy. Okay? If you don't have any broth like I don't have any, it's fine. You can still use your water and make a delicious gravy. And then you want to add your marinade. Mix everything till it's well combined. So this recipe cooks for about 2 hours or 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay? It's all about patience when making this recipe. The results or the outcome is amazing. It's very delicious. So yes. So for extra heat, I just added Scotch bonnet pepper. Now, I like my food spicy, so yes, peppers are a must for me. Now, I like my gravy smooth. So let's go ahead and strain the juices of the oxtails, and then back it goes in the pot. So this is tomato ketchup, which is optional to use. This will add an extra flavor to the gravy. You don't necessarily have to use this if you don't want to. So at this point, cook the oxtails for about 45 minutes or till the meat falls off the bone. Cook till the bones become soft to the point you are able to suck out the juices, okay? It's now time to add the fresh veggies. So I have carrots and bell peppers, which will help thicken the gravy and add flavor to the gravy. In case you don't have veggies, it's fine. You can still make your gravy thick by using cornstarch or tomato paste. So this is beans. Normally, butter beans is used for this recipe. However, I did not have butter beans, so I used cannellini beans instead. The water has been drained and this is how it looks. So yes. Let's go ahead and season the gravy. So I will use shrimp cubes, which I like to cook with, chili and garlic seasoning. You can use any seasonings of your choice, okay? So once you have added your seasonings, make sure to mix till it's well combined. At this point, allow the gravy to cook for another minute or two, and your Jamaican oxtail is ready to be served. You can enjoy this with potatoes, rice and peas, or rice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and stay blessed.